I'm gonna head to the lab, but before I get there, I'm gonna stop by Nectar, get some daily greens to get the day started. Definitely recommend that to get your day started. Apple detox. We're gonna go drop off Love fender and door. So I'm pulling up to the lab right now. But before I get to the lab, I gotta stop by Premium Auto Styling to drop off Love fender and door. I guess he has to get that rewrapped. I'm gonna show you guys how close the lab is to Premium Auto Styling. The lab, Premium Auto Styling. See if anybody's even here yet. Nope, nobody's here yet, so definitely have to come back. Premium. Nobody's here yet. So definitely gonna have to come back later. And that's where the lab is. What's going on, guys? Back at it, doing another how-to video. Not really how-to video, just kind of show you guys how a simple color change on your door handles can do a big difference.
guy. He's like a real vlogger.
Never vlogging. What's going on, bro? You guys are chilling in the dark and shit. What's going on? Hey, how's it going?
This is her office, so she chooses to have it like that. Bitchy, let's unload this door real quick.
We got a door?
Yeah, we got a door.
A door and a fender.
Oh, this is low temperature. The window up is crazy.
Oh, a little scary.
Got it?
Usually when you have a door like this, you put the power in, you roll it.
This was to what stuff, Bruce? Break it up in a bunch of pieces.
Alright, so here's the plan. I want to take out the, I want to get rid of this headliner.
Alright.
I want to go with black suede.
Alright.
So I want to come from here all the way down. But then when it comes into these, where they're plastic, I got plastic here, plastic there, and then obviously here.
You might want to just paint that.
Have those painted.
Matte black or something. Or you could wrap them, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They're kind of like a weird texture, so I think I'd have them sanded down and painted. I want to throw suede on that. And also, can you take care of these?
Might be able to, yeah.
I need to figure out how to cover those.
Yeah, because they would kind of look funky, dude.
And then another thing that I want to do is all of these right here. I want to have those wrapped in suede too.
Oh, that'd be
So
sick.
this, and then the stainless right here. Sorry.
Mm.
I might even do that too.
Nice. Getting all fancy with that.
What do you think?
I think it would look sick.
Fun little project?
Yeah. Hope you guys didn't sleep on this drop. Last call. You guys won't see these ones ever again.